Okay, this is Nico having a temper tantrum, getting ready for a show. And now she just said, why are you crying? Nico, are you done? This is what I go through every day. And people think I have a crying baby out here. I will show you. It's really just Nico. Nico. You are such a baby. Yes, you are. Now people are coming in because you were crying. Okay, let's go impress these kids, okay? What? Say that again. I don't know what that was. Say it again. Why are you crying? Do you want your breakfast? Oh, Nico. Yeah. Oh, you dropped a feather. You're molting. You don't care? Nico, are you done? Huh? Can you say bye? Are you gonna cry? Can you laugh? Nico. Nico. Listen. Can you laugh? No. Okay, I'll let you cry.